just for us. Chef, bring him back. Chef. Stand here like a good boy. Clive Birch, founder and director of SsHaa GranDiece Limited. Date of birth, or the place of birth, Montego Bay, Jamaica. What an address! Paradise! Clive arrived in the UK from Jamaica in 1999, and he lived in London for a brief period before locating to Edinburgh. He immediately fell in love with the city, Scotland, and its people, and he decided to learn a lot more about its culture. The company that Birch has is the company Clive Birch Healthy Eating Consultations, right? Which later changed it to the present SsHaa GranDiece Limited. It was always his desire to combine food with health and promote the increase in fruit and vegetable consumption. His hope is that one day he can return to Jamaica and work for the government on education department to design strategies for health and improvement for the working class, for the young people. His classification system he called the SsHaa.
Consonants. It's the future language for jerk. At the moment, I think.
Hang on a minute. His classification system called for the symptoms, which is primarily focused on the promotion of fruit and vegetable, consuming and using the jerk method of cooking. It is his vision that a new class of modern jerk recipes will be created and focus on the seasonal eating and fresh produce, which can lead to a better life with better life outcome. Now, I think people that Clive's use of the word jerk is different from mine. To me, a jerk is just an Egypt. The heard of Clive of India. Well, we have Clive of West India. So, ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have Matrix Chef Clive of the Hollies.
Very nice start. Thank you guys. I'm glad you all enjoy the food. We're had a marathon tonight because we have to cater for various needs. But I'm glad that you all enjoy it. Now, how it all started, I guess I was always cooking. I think from I was 6 years of age, my mom used to invite me to the kitchen. I don't know about health and safety days. I don't understand why she would invite me to the kitchen. Nonetheless, she used to always ask me to fry the chicken, fry the plantain, fry the Irish potato, and she normally count it just in case you don't need one. So, my mom died when I was 16, and my father had to work. All my sisters were younger, my older brothers were away. Automatically after high school, I had to go straight into family care, so to take care of my sister. So I always have to go and do the shopping, go to the market, look for fresh produce. My mom was always taking me to the market to select fresh ingredients. So I saw that inherit that from her. And surprisingly, when I was in Jamaica, wherever I went, where food was involved, people always put me in charge of it. And I don't know why, but for some reason, they just said, Clive, okay, we wanted to organize this. Even when I was 16, at the wake of my mom's, I was the one who cooked for about 80 persons. I was thrown into the weekend. Ever since that time, I was always naturally drawn to food. And till I came to Scotland, I did some part-time job, you know. I was working for McDonald's. McDonald's, can you imagine?
Same
Flipping burger and so forth. And I said to myself, well, I should use this opportunity to improve my skills. And I went into culinary college. At the time, it was called Jamaica. And I finished and worked at the Hiltons for a while and the Carlton Hotel in food service. So I was working as a chef and as a waiter simultaneously. 2 jobs on the go. And then mid-2000 I decided to take a break from food and go to health. To understand the concept of health and disease and preventative measures. So I went and worked at NHS as a clinical support worker. I was with them for about 5 years, and the ward manager said to me, I was working on the orthopedics ward, and one of the ward managers encouraged me to go and study nursing. So I went back to university. I went to University of Edinburgh. I was on their nursing program for 2 years. So did various type of nursing training, surgical, medical, outpatients, worked with district nurse, maternity, whatever the case may be. But it was in the 3rd year of my nursing training while I was doing this essay paper, and I think it was COPD. And I came across the Scottish Health Survey, the 2012 edition. And it was shocking when I read that since 2003, the fruit and vegetable uptake in Scotland overall had increased. And I was baffled because I was saying with all the academics, with all the strategies that the government is putting in place, it wasn't working. And I set out on a quest to find out, so I did a bit of research on university. I did some questionnaires, survey amongst the students, and some of the things that keep coming up. People didn't know what was in season, when they are in season. And sometimes fruits and veg were tasting quite, insipid. Also, the expense of it. And then I knew what I had to do for the future. Come up with a company that focused primarily on increasing fruit and vegetable uptake. I know that if not here in Scotland, it would be in Jamaica in the future. That I'll bring a contract from the government with the objective of finding a way to increase fruit and vegetable consumption. And I started just after graduation in 2015 with the company, Healthy Eating Consultancy, teaching people how to cook, so forth, so forth. And one person said, "You're from Jamaica, why not do some jerk chicken?" And I was like, okay. And then I started making my own marinade. But I wasn't satisfied. I started with parsley, I started with mango, then I started going through. By the time I was finished, I ended up with over 30 odd different sauces and marinades. And I said, no, I need to put structure and order to this. And that's when the international jerk classification system started. And I make it a point of my duty to put things into structure in terms of levels of chili, texture, the fruit, the season that the fruit is in, and I came up with what's known as the cuisine. It's an international jerk classification system for modern jerk sauces and marinades. I'm still working on it, and the hope is, with each season, wherever in the world you go, people can use local fruit and vegetable, use the classification system, and invent recipes for self-improvement. So that's where I am at the moment. In the meantime, my name is Clive Birch, but my brand name, and hopefully for the future, will be SsHaa GranDiece. SsHaa means transformation of will. I'm looking at myself first. That if I'm going to think about promoting healthy eating, I have to start with me. I have to transform my mind, and I need the willpower to do so. GranDiece means living healthy. And the idea surrounding that is, if I'm going to live healthy, everything that I create must center around seasonal produce. Every recipe in the future, every jerk recipe under this classification system will refer to the season. Autumn, winter, spring, summer. And that will encourage people, or motivate people, or inspire people to know when fruit and vegetable is in season or not. And the final part is GranDiece. GranDiece have to do with menus. How to design menus to help people be aware of what is in season and how to write it. So the hope is maybe sometime in the future, 20 years from now, there'll be universities in Jamaica teaching proper structure on the jerk method of cooking that specifically focuses on fruit and vegetable consumption. If I'm still in Scotland at the time, I'm hoping that I'll work with the Scottish government on that cause. But if I'm in Jamaica, I'll write a book. And thank the Hollies. Thank you very much, Elaine. You're an inspiration for the garden. I think Hollies, and listen to this carefully for those people who are in Musselburgh.
Why love it me?
I'm coming to you, your grace. I'm coming to you. Hollies is at the front line of health promotion. We've got our summer garden, and trust me when I said summer garden, I think we still have strawberries going in.
Yeah.
They're tiny though. But they were. And the idea is, yes, each summer now, we get fresh produce from our back garden. Think of it. Literally cutting it off the stem, washing it and in the pot. It cannot be fresher. And if the government understand that,